It's me. What are you doing here?
Hey there, my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly how I get this makeup look right here, and I'm really hoping that you guys are enjoying these summer inspired tutorials. On my eyes I'm wearing this liquid glitter. It's called Crystal Eyes by Milani Cosmetics, and on my lips I'm wearing Sangria, a lipstick by Milani Cosmetics as well. This is like the most epic purple ever. I'm in love with it. If you guys haven't checked out my last tutorial, go ahead and check it out. Also in that video you will see the details on my hair, and if you have not watched it yet, you don't know, this is my strawberry shortcake crochet braid unit. So if you guys, I'm still taking orders. If you guys want one, you go ahead and send me an email. All the info is in the description bar below. Just check it out. Click the show more section and it will show you all of the products that I use in this video, and any additional information that you need to know will be listed down there. Alright guys, so yeah, I really hope you enjoy. I'm not going to keep this intro too long. Go ahead, follow my Instagram, Facebook, my Twitter at NaturallyMsToya. As I said, everything is listed in the description bar below. I have a lot more videos coming guys, so just stay tuned, and yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Stay naturally beautiful until next time, and continue to enjoy your summer. Bye.
So you're all busy, but just let me know when can I see you, because I really miss you. Hey, it's me. What are you doing here? I'd like to see you. Let me know if I can help you.
Whoa, so even if tomorrow we don't talk, right now I want to take you home fast. Cause girl you make it hard for the naughty go soft. So make me show action because me don't talk much. Make you say yeah, 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 yeah. Make you say yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So even if tomorrow we don't talk, right now I want to take you home fast. Cause girl you make it hard for the naughty go soft. So make me show action because me don't talk much. Make you say yeah, 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 yeah. Make you say yeah, yeah, yeah. You all touch like magnet when I feel the iron. You tell me you love me like you love a summer where me rely on. You tell me say you never meet a man that's as real as I am. Say me so sweet that I am. Having you weak make you a blow like hell and you're even tired. I am a weapon of love, me no need defiance. You have what me want, I have what you need. So make we pre-alliance. Something like Romeo and Juliet minus the feelings. I give the sweetest touch. You cry as me leave, so even if tomorrow we don't talk, right now I want to take you home fast. Cause girl you make it hard for the naughty go soft. So make me show action because me don't talk much. Make you say yeah, 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 yeah. Make you say yeah, 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 yeah. So even if tomorrow we don't talk, right now I want to take you home fast. Cause girl you make it hard for the naughty go soft. So make me show action because me don't talk much. Make you say yeah, 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 yeah. Make you say yeah, 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 yeah.
So I'm here assuming you don't have any service, or you're not near any Wi-Fi, or maybe your phone battery is dead. It's been a couple days now since I've heard from you. Call me.
Whoa, whoa. So even if tomorrow we don't talk, right now, I want to take you home fast. Cause girl, you make it hard for the naughty go soft. So make me show action because me don't talk much. Beg you say yeah, 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 yeah. Beg you say yeah, yeah, yeah. So even if tomorrow we don't talk, right now